Hello, my name is Diane Gill, and today I will be conducting a research design review of a paper that I conducted an analysis of called The Choice of Library and Information Science in a Rapidly Changing Information Landscape. And I referenced Prisma in my analysis of the research design. My task is to conduct this review in 2 minutes or less, this critique. And I'm going to be using this PowerPoint to show discuss my talking points. I've already mentioned in the discussion board the purpose of the paper, and so I'm just going to go straight into the first thing that stood out for me in critiquing the research design was that it was not driven by research questions. I thought that was interesting because instead of research questions, they were driven by the emerging themes that were identified during their analysis stages of the study. There were three emerging themes that developed as a result: the choice for LIS, the specialty, and career changes. I thought the authors did a good job developing and applying the research design based on a collection and analysis of the previous studies. The results that yielded were then identified as those three major themes, and that was again from the systematic analysis of the relevant literature. I thought the paper utilized theoretical tools well. It applied qualitative methods for that in-depth analysis of the study, and it also extended the existing body of knowledge. They followed rules that were adopted and followed to meet the purpose of the study, and they conducted the research within a framework. The design followed specific steps like identifying and assessing, analyzing, and presenting that most relevant literature. In addition, the authors provided recommendations for further studies using other analytical methods, including the use of bibliometric indicators. It was an article that I thought did a thorough job of providing a better understanding of career choices and changes in LIS for not just international high school students, but for college students and professionals in the field. Even aside from the study topic, it revealed motivators, the intrinsic and extrinsic. And then also, I thought it identified the methods that it used as an effective tool for conducting their research from the abstract, which addressed each item or most of the items in the Prisma 2020 from the abstract checklist. It describes the current state of knowledge, its uncertainties, and articulated why it was important to do the review. The methods were there, the eligibility. They shared its information and sources like the individuals and the journals that they used, to the synthesis of the data and the results of the synthesis, as well as a detailed discussions and recommendations for further study. Okay, I'm out of town. See you in a minute.